Hi, we are going to be making shaving cream slime. We are going to have 4 cups of shaving cream all the way to the top. We are gonna have 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 bottle of glue, mix it all together, and then last we are going to have 1 tablespoon of contact solution. Okay, let's first.
You have to shake it. You have to shake it. Shake it. Shake it good. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, now do it.
Oh my gosh, this is getting so scary.
Okay.
Whew. Look at this. That's too much. Okay. Next, baking soda. Okay. Thank you, Mommy.
Put the whole thing of glue yolks. Can you shake it? Roll up your sleeves.
Thank you.
Start mixing it. Here you go. Just keep.
Oh, it's pretty red. No, it's pretty pink.
Get the corners around. Alright. Yeah, put it in. I'm going right there. Alrighty. Sounds like you should mix with your hands. Yeah. Alright. Can you help me? Here we go. Ooh. You're right, right? This is the better one? Mm-hmm. Okay, get the corners. Mix it all up, girls.
Oh, I was right. Yes.
Oops.
Okay, you're mixing that.
Yeah, that's what we're supposed to be doing.
Think we should put a little more contact solution or?
No, because the more you play with it, like, the more it will get, like... Could you hold this?
Alrighty. This is what we have.
I was right.
Does it feel cool? We made a lot of this one. Oh, it looks like Yuki's kind of got it. Oh, nope, it's
Yeah.
still sticky.
It'll get...
Oh, mine's coming off.
sides.
Mm-hmm.
Mine's coming.
Try and, yeah, take it off. Nice. Keep playing with it. Cool. Come in the picture, Yuki.
Yuki has more than me, and it's mine,
You could go right here. That's fine.
mostly. Look, it's coming off of me.
Okay, put your hands in there.
Oh, look, it's coming off of Araya completely. Nice. So this,
Get the stuff in there, right?
the
slime.
extras.
You have too much.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh yeah, it's coming off.
Nice. I'm just gonna.
It's a good thing that I mixed it before I dropped it.
Look,
Get that
it's
off.
coming off of me.
Bring it. Oh.
Oh
Are
my
you
gosh.
gonna get in there, Raya?
No, I'm gonna steal some of yours because you have more than me. And it's mostly
When I
mine.
were doing the video, stop after this.
It's coming off of me. Look,
Nice. So this one is a really good one, huh?
Get.
Good job, Ukes. Play with it.
it's coming off of me.
This is a really good slime then?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the
Nice.
best one.
You have to like work it on the back of your hand to like get nice. Okay, give me a
Raya,
chunk.
get in the bowl.
You
Get
give
in
her
the
a chunk.
Yeah, get it like. Just mix it back together. That's fine. Oh
Yeah,
my
just put all
god.
of it back in there. Yuki, 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 yuki.
Raya, stop.
Okay, you
my
guys should tell your viewers bye now.
Huh?
Look how much
Bye,
Yuki left me.
guys.
Give me some.